Okay, you guys, we are in another one of the modular homes that are available here in Glendale at, what's the name of this place? Don't close it, leave it open. What's the mayor in? Clayton Homes. And this one is, we'll come over and show you the price on this one. This one is $124,000.
We saw this one last night on
Oh, I like this, Becky. Has these shelves right here. This is the kitchen, family room.
Right.
We'd rather have one big room than
Yeah.
two little rooms.
And is that the master bedroom in there, Mike?
Yeah.
There's the, I like this way they have this bar set up, the breakfast bar. And okay, this here would be like a little family area, or it's too open for an office because people would be making too much noise. But oh, nice sized bedrooms, huh? Where's the closet?
I
Oh,
think this is optional 3-bedroom right now.
another bedroom.
4-bedroom.
And the bathroom.
I would rather have this bedroom over there, pull that out, so that this becomes one great room. You know what I'm saying? So you have a hallway, you have a bedroom that starts here, so that's a bedroom. And so this, from this on over, would be all open.
Actually, I'd rather, I see what you're saying, but then I'd rather move that wall this way.
Oh, look how they have that, I like that, the way they have the lights above the bed.
Yeah.
They have some lights above the bed there. But then you have to put your bed there. I mean, I guess you could put your dresser over there if you wanted. This is the bedroom, master bedroom. And so you have the windows. Oh, look at the tub. That's the tub. And the shower. I love this master bathroom. Has lights up there. Now this one is $129,000. Has these cupboards. And this must be where the toilet is. Oh, how did I guess? You have a little room for your toilet. And look at this shower. That's nice. Nice deep tub. And the little details are pretty nice in this one. $129,000. Oh, and it has the pocket door, but it's not really a pocket door. Oh, I guess it is. It's just a sliding barn door. So, let's see. That separates the bathroom from the rest. Big walk-in closet. Huge walk-in closet. And really crappy job on the beams. There's a lot of space. Did a really crappy job on the beams.
I'd rather have the ceiling like in the other one.
Okay, this is, I like the kitchen, I like the master, the rest is okay.
Yeah, that's how we go.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. This is, like I said, $124,000. And at Clayton Homes. Right there. I don't know what the 119 is. Total price is $124,000. All right. Please like and subscribe, as I keep saying, and please hit the notification bell so you get alerted when I have new videos. And please share on your social media. Peace.
Instead of sliding last.